P7 Max Drone, the ultimate 8K aerial powerhouse with 3-axis gimbal and laser obstacle avoidance. The P7 Max Drone is a state-of-the-art quadcopter designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Featuring a 3-axis brushless gimbal, 8K HD camera, and 5G digital image transmission, this drone delivers stunning aerial footage and unmatched flight performance. With advanced features like laser obstacle avoidance, GPS tracking, and a 10,000-meter control range, the P7 Max is your ultimate tool for capturing cinematic shots and exploring creative flight modes. Key features: 8K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal. Capture ultra-clear 8K photos and videos with a 3-axis brushless gimbal that ensures smooth, shake-free footage. 110 degrees FOV lens, wide-angle shots for immersive visuals. 5G digital image transmission. Stream live footage up to 6,000 meters with 5G transmission for crystal clear, lag-free FPV experiences. Laser obstacle avoidance. Fly confidently with laser sensors that detect and navigate around obstacles, ensuring safe and collision-free flights. Long flight time and range. 4,500 mAh intelligent battery provides up to 45 minutes of flight time. 10,000-meter control range. Explore the skies with confidence. Intelligent flight modes. GPS one-key return automatically returns to the takeoff point with low battery or lost signal. Follow me mode tracks you or a subject for seamless tracking shots. Gesture recognition. Capture photos or videos with simple hand gestures from 1 to 3 meters away. Foldable and portable design. Compact folding size, 23 by 12 by 13 centimeters, makes it easy to carry, while the unfolded size, 40 by 40 by 12 centimeters, ensures stability during flight. LCD screen remote control. Fly with precision using the built-in LCD screen remote control that displays real-time flight data and camera feed. Specifications. Model, P7 Max. Camera, 8K HD with 3-axis gimbal. Transmission, 5G digital image transmission. Battery, 11.4V 4,500 mAh, 45 minutes flight with 2-hour charging. Control range, up to 10,000 meters. Weight, 783 grams, lightweight yet sturdy. Remote control, 7.4V 6,000 mAh built-in battery, 3-hour operating time. Photo resolution, 3840 by 2160, 20 fps, and 1280 by 720 app. Video resolution, 3840 by 2160 TF, and 7680 by 4320 app. Frame rate, 30 frames per second. What's included? One P7 Max drone. One LCD screen remote control. One 4,500 mAh battery. One USB charging cable. 2 spare propellers. One user manual. Why choose the P7 Max drone? The P7 Max drone combines professional-grade features with user-friendly design, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Its 8K camera and 3-axis gimbal ensure stunning visuals, while the 5G transmission and laser obstacle avoidance provide seamless control and safe flights. With 45 minutes of flight time, 10,000-meter range, and intelligent flight modes, the P7 Max is your ultimate aerial companion. Whether you're filming vlogs, exploring FPV, or mastering advanced flight modes, the P7 Max adapts to your creativity. Fly smarter, capture bolder, The P7 Max drone redefines aerial excellence.